1974 and is from Kafo local government area of Katsina State. He attended Kaduna Capital School in 1987, from there Government Secondary School Magnification from 1988 to 1993, and then he went for a certificate course in Public Administration Staff Development Center Kaduna from 1995 to 1996. He earned a diploma in Public Administration in Kaduna Polytechnic from 1997 to 1998, and a high diploma in Management Studies from the Usman Danfodio University, Sokoto. He has also certificates of achievement, which include Total Quality Management and Human Resource Management from the Administrative Staff College, Topo Badagry, in 2008. Also, Best Practice in Customer Service for the Public Year, taken at Techno Abu Dhabi in the UAE in 2009. And Compliance Training Program for Public Officers Code of Conduct Bureau in 2012. He is currently the staff of the CAC since 2006. Thank you very much, sir. Can we be seated, sir?
So you first of all take the oath of allegiance and thereafter the oath of office. So you repeat after me. Say, I, then you know.
I, Ibrahim Aminu,
Hereby solemnly declare
hereby solemnly declare
and pledge that in the service of my country,
in the service of my country,
I will be faithful
I will be faithful
and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria
and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria
at all times.
at all times.
That as the Secretary, Social Development Secretariat,
That as the Secretary, Social Development Secretariat,
in the services of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
in the services of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
I will not discriminate on the basis of religion,
I will not discriminate on the basis of religion,
tribe,
cult,
or status,
or status,
or practice any form of partiality
or practice any form of partiality
in the performance of my official duties.
in the performance of my official duties.
I will always place service
I will always place
to
service
the public above selfish interest.
to the public above selfish interest.
That realizing that
Realizing that
a public office is a public trust,
a public office is a public trust,
I will always perform my official duties
I will always perform my official duties
diligently and efficiently,
diligently and efficiently,
and will not engage or be involved in any activity
and will not be engaged or involved in any activity
in conflict either directly or indirectly with this pledge.
in conflict either directly or indirectly with this pledge.
I will,
I will,
in the performance of my official duties,
in the performance of my official duties,
eschew and expose corruption,
eschew and expose corruption,
and will also not corrupt others,
and will also not corrupt others,
or aid or abet corruption
or aid or abet corruption
in any of its facets,
in any of these facets,
in and outside the public service.
in and outside the public service.
I will always follow the path of justice,
I will always follow the path of justice,
honesty, and concord
honesty, and concord
amongst all the people of the Federal Capital Territory and Nigeria.
amongst all the people of the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Your Excellency, our daddy, the former Speaker and House of Representatives and former Governor of Katsina State, Masari, the representative of the Chief Judge of the Federal Capital Territory, the Permanent Secretary, Mandate Secretaries, and the newly sworn-in Mandate Secretary, Directors and Assistant Directors that are here, Solicitor General, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first of all congratulate the newly sworn-in Mandate Secretary, this inauguration ought to have taken place since, but because of the tight schedule. And let me also thank our dear leader for taking our time to grace this occasion. We cannot take it for granted. We know how passionate you are for the Renewed Hope agenda. And to say that now that you have been sworn in, I think you have only a few hours for your merriment. The work starts. It is not an easy thing just to achieve the mission and vision of Mr. President. Nigerians have lost hope. And that's why the agenda renewed hope. We're going to bring back that lost hope to make Nigeria believe that things can still work. You are serving Nigerians, you are not serving Katsina State alone. FCT is not like any other city. It's a city that every Nigerian you can find here. So your services is for Nigerians. Yes, you must come from somewhere. But remember that what you are doing is to serve Nigerians. We believe with your track record that you are going to put in your best. We work as a team. Nobody knows it all. Things you may not understand, you ask your colleagues. I can assure you, you will find a teamwork that will make you excel. I, as the minister, and my colleague, Minister of State, who is not here, will give you all the cooperation for you to succeed in your social development. Please bear in mind that at the end of the day, you will be held accountable. What were you able to do when this opportunity was given to you? This is not time for excuses. This is time for performance. This is time for achievement. Nigerians are tired of hearing excuses every day. That is why we'll do everything we can to assure the FCT residents that things will change, and things have started changing. Once more, I congratulate you and your family, and thank you, Mr. President, for approving this appointment. Let me also thank my Lord, the representative of my Lord, who has always done this, was with us before, and today he has come back to finalize the job he started. So I want to sincerely thank you and extend my greetings to my Lord, the Chief Judge, for the cooperation we have always had. And let me also thank the Permanent Secretary and his team for, of course, you know, it is not easy to work with people like us because he must be at alert every time. I know you were with me last night and you left. So I own no Friday, no Sunday. Work is every day. So we want to thank you and your team for all your efforts to making sure that FCT, yesterday you were here when we were having lecture, independent lecture. You see that two of the panelists commented or commended FCT. Yesterday in NEC, the Vice President commended FCT. So we cannot relax. People have started saying what we're doing, and that can be possible when we are working together. No one man can do it alone. So I thank every of you, and I thank the press for your reporting. I have not found any negative reporting these days. Probably because most of your media houses are publishing adverts, money, and the rest of it is coming. So most of them are happy that their media houses, those who have not gotten, you have to go for fasting. And that more things should come out so we can patronize all the media houses. But frankly speaking, I want to thank you for the support you've given to this administration. Once more, thank you and God bless all of you.
Mr. Asa, as usual, we thank you very much for the candor in Vice for the National Anthem.